You gave him your time, you opened your heart, he said all the right things, he acted like he cared, maybe he even said he loved you. But then he pulled away, he went cold, he stopped trying, and just like that, he was gone. And you're left wondering, what happened? Here's the truth no one talks about. Men don't leave because they don't feel love. They leave because something deeper isn't being fulfilled. There's one emotional button that, when pressed, makes a man feel so safe, so seen, and so bonded that he doesn't just stay, he commits himself to you emotionally. It's not manipulation, it's not seduction, it's not some feminine trick. It's an emotional need so deep that most men can't even explain it themselves, but once you understand it, you'll never wonder again why he left. And you'll know exactly what makes a man choose you forever. Let's break it down. Why men walk away even when they love you. Let's bust the biggest myth right now. Men don't leave because they stop caring. In many cases, he still likes you. He still feels that spark. But love on its own isn't always enough to hold a man. Why? Because feeling emotionally misunderstood, even in the presence of love, feels like being emotionally homeless. Here's what that looks like for him. He tries to express a worry or fear, and you tell him, don't be dramatic. He shares something vulnerable and it gets brought up later during an argument. He feels pressure to always be strong, even around the person he thought he could relax with. It doesn't feel safe, it feels exhausting, and when a man associates the relationship with emotional performance, not emotional peace, he starts detaching, not because he doesn't care, but because he doesn't feel like he can breathe there. And that's the real reason many men ghost, withdraw, or say vague things like, I just need space, it's not you, it's me, something feels off, translation. He doesn't feel emotionally safe in your presence. The hidden need every man has that he'll never admit. Now here's where things get deep. Every man has an emotional need that's buried under years of social conditioning. And no, it's not just sex, admiration, or respect, it's this. The need to be emotionally understood without being judged. Men aren't raised to express emotion. They're raised to manage it, hide it, outwork it. So when they finally let someone in, someone they're romantically close to, it's not just flirting or vulnerability, it's a test, a quiet one. And when that moment comes, they're watching to see, can you hold space for their fear without trying to fix it? Can you listen to their uncertainty without thinking less of them? Can you stay soft even when they aren't at their strongest? That's what they crave, not perfection, not solutions, just emotional acceptance. Because to a man, that feels like peace, and peace is the thing he stays for, not just passion. When he finds someone who can meet that hidden need, everything changes. It's the woman who gives him that feeling who becomes unforgettable, not because she's the most beautiful, but because she made him feel emotionally safe. Often for the first time in his life. Signs you've pressed the emotional button even without realizing it. Now, how do you know you've pressed that emotional button? Here are some signs he's emotionally bonded to you in a way he doesn't even fully understand. He opens up without being asked, not in dramatic monologues, but in casual ways, telling you things he hasn't told anyone else. He starts asking for your input, not to please you, but because he genuinely wants to hear your take. This is huge. It shows he sees you as emotionally intelligent and safe to think with. He stops performing. He's more himself around you. The mask drops. He's silly, soft, relaxed, even quiet sometimes. He initiates deeper conversations. He goes beyond surface level stuff. Not all the time, but often enough to show he wants you to know him, not just date him. He talks about the future and uses the word we. It starts small. We should do that someday. Imagine if we. That's him mentally placing you in his future. He's no longer in I like her mode. He's in this feels safe, I want to build something here mode. Because when that emotional button is pressed, it bypasses his ego and lands straight in his nervous system. You become associated with safety, connection, and peace. And when that happens, he's not just choosing you, he's bonded to you. And here it is, the emotional button equals psychological safety. So what's the button? Let's drop the curtain. The one emotional button that makes a man stay forever is called psychological safety. Not butterflies, not good vibes, not even love. It's when a man feels he can be his full emotional self without being punished, judged, or misunderstood. Psychological safety is what allows him to let go of the world's expectations and just be human around you. He doesn't have to be the fixer. He doesn't have to always say the right thing. He doesn't have to act like he has it all together. He can breathe. And when you become his emotional exhale, he stops looking for the next best thing, because nothing feels better than freedom in love. How to create that safety without losing yourself. Now, here's the important part. Creating that safety doesn't mean you sacrifice your needs or become his therapist. It simply means you show up in a way that invites truth, not performance. Here's how. Listen more than you fix. When he shares, resist the urge to correct, interrupt, or offer a 10-step solution. Just be present. Sometimes the most healing words are, "That makes sense. I get why you feel that way." Hold emotional space without taking it personally. If he opens up about stress, trauma, or doubt, it's not a reflection of your relationship, it's trust. Receive it like a gift. Stay calm in emotional moments. When you react with maturity instead of panic, he'll feel safe bringing more of himself to the table. Affirm his feelings, not just his actions. Compliment his thoughtfulness, his effort, his honesty. Not just what he does for you, but who he's becoming. Stay grounded in your own life. A woman who has emotional regulation, personal passions, and firm boundaries becomes a man's safe haven, not his emotional project. You don't create safety by becoming small, you create it by becoming steady. And that's what anchors him to you, what breaks that bond instantly. Now, the hard truth, as easy as it is to create psychological safety, it's also just as easy to destroy it, often without even realizing. Here are behaviors that quietly break the bond, using his vulnerability as ammo. If you throw his sensitive moments back at him during fights, he'll shut down permanently. Forcing emotional conversations before he's ready. Emotional pressure makes him feel unsafe, like he's being cornered, not understood. Dismissing or mocking his feelings, saying things like, "You're overreacting," or "Man up," will make him feel like he has to wear armor around you. Making your emotions his responsibility. If every moment he shares turns into your emotional breakdown, he won't feel safe being open. Men may not verbalize it, but they track how it feels to be emotionally open around you. And if that space starts to feel dangerous, he'll quietly check out. What he does when the button is activated. So what happens when you do get it right? When that emotional button, psychological safety, is pressed, he softens, he opens, he stops trying to impress you and starts trying to build with you. You'll notice he starts calling more, not just to flirt, but to connect. He includes you in his plans, not out of obligation, but because he wants to. He starts talking about we without hesitation. He sees you as part of his future. He asks deeper questions, talks more honestly, shares more of his inner world. And most of all, he chooses you. Not just today, but over and over again. Because with you, he doesn't feel judged. He feels held. He doesn't feel like he's being evaluated. He feels like he's being understood. And once a man feels safe, he will move mountains to stay there. So the next time you wonder, why did he leave? Ask instead, did he feel safe being emotionally seen around me? Because if the answer is yes, you won't have to chase him. He'll stay by choice. If this resonated, hit the like button, subscribe for more insights on what really makes love last, and drop a comment below. What was your biggest aha moment from this video? Thanks for watching.